to change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, we need to open Settings. In Settings, we need to scroll all the way down and choose General Management. Then over here, go to Samsung Keyboard Settings. And then at the top, we can choose Languages and Types. Here we can either tap on the current language in order to adjust the keyboard, but if you want to use a completely different language, then we want to go to Manage Input Languages, and here we need to enable these languages. So let's say we're gonna enable Danish as well. So tap on the switcher in order to turn on, and if you want to disable the old language, then you can tap on the switcher of the old language as well. If not, then you can keep more than one languages. In the top right corner, you can tap on these three dots in order to reorder these languages. And if you have more than one language, and once you open the language, then you will find this icon with the globe that you can tap in order to switch between different languages. If you have only one, then of course this will not be available. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!